How to fix Nighthawk app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix Nighthawk not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that I recommend you guys to do is make sure that you have a good internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi and the connection is stable. You can also use your mobile data. And that should fix the problem. Sometimes Wi-Fi is just, your problem. So if that fixes the problem, great. If not, go to your app store, and on your app store, simply search for Nighthawk. After you search for Nighthawk, you should see the app. So right here, if you see an update button available, tap on update and update the app. So since updates come with minor fixes and improvements, that should fix your problem. If it doesn't, you can come back here, go to your settings, and you'll need to come to iPhone storage. If you don't know how, I'll teach you. Come back to settings, go to general on your settings, and right here go to iPhone storage. After you're here, search for Nighthawk. You can go to the search bar on the top from here as well and open Nighthawk up. Then offload the app by tapping on offload app and then reinstall the app. After the reinstallation completes, your problem will get fixed and you should be able to use the app just fine. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye.